Wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy. Ay,
Yeah.
ay, ayan. So let's start na kasi for the benefit then of our time and para mas marami tayong matutunan and lalo na yung mga rookies natin. So gusto ko lang malaman or gusto naming malaman, Miss Eva, kasi you had 6 sales last June. Pwede mo bang ma-share sa amin lahat? Ano yung sales na yon? Yung 6 na approved case na yon last month?
Okay. Yung unang sale ko was ano it was on the first week. It's ano siya, A plus siya na maliit lang, 40,000. Um Maliit lang yung premium. Pero yung effort malaki. kasi kasi yung client is well, the original client was the mom na sold siya sa mga ano natin, sa mga products, meron na siyang future builder sa akin, yung dalawang anak kinuha na ng ACP. And then she's a manager of BDO. So they also have the same or similar plan as A+. I started offering it to her parang last year actually, nung lumabas. Very kind yung ano na to parang makikinig siya, hindi ka sin zone sa kanya. Lagi siya may sagot sa mga text ko. Sabi niya, next year, sige, revisit natin. Tapos, ginawa ko ulit yon. Sabi niya, mukhang malabo pa kasi I have two foreign trips this year, this first half of the year. So, try natin sa June. Bumalik ako ng June. Tapos, sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, meron na kaming offer na mas mababa, baka you can afford already. Then she said, okay, send it to me. Tapos sabi niya, mukhang malabo pa rin. And that was like 40,000. So sabi ko, siguro nga, hindi kaya. Pero I told her, baka naman you want to start na for your son so that when he starts working, which is soon because nag-graduate na, siya nang magtuloy. It's the start of his savings na for the future. And then she said, sige, let me ask him. Yun, tapos siya na gawa ng appointment, ganyan. Kinausap ko yung anak. Yung pala, kaka-start lang nung anak that month sa trabaho. So, yun, siguro the convincing came from the mom na I spoke with the son and then una sabi niya quarterly lang muna siguro, ganun-ganun. Like, okay lang para makastart. Kaya lang nakita niya mas mahal and then kasi may modal charge. Tapos naging semi-annual. Tapos nung magbabayad na, sabi ko, ano yung gusto mong mode of payment? Ano ba yung tawag sa ganun? Not
Modal.
mode of of premium. Then she said annual na. O di syempre masaya kasi nga para makakatipid. I mean for us agents, isipin mo, okay yung quarterly kasi mas malaking income, 'di ba? Mas malaki pero the convenience of of mangniningil ka lang once and saving for a client na meron ng policy sa'yo. Parang iniisip mo, gusto mo makasave yung kliyente. So yun yung first sale. Yung second sale, actually, sumunod, lima silang application. Ito yung company, there are clients already, they got something from 7 years ago. Money Works, regular pay, pang tulong sa retirement nila. The owner of the company is a VIP client na talagang walang humpay, parang madalas tingin ko pinagbibigyan niya ako pero kasi meron siya mga anak, mga apo, dami silang policy sa akin. Tapos ito, sabi ko alam mo yung critical illness, basta I had to highlight talaga the importance of critical illness. And at the start I was thinking I would offer ACP 100. But when I learned more about AIO, sa inaral ko, ganun, ang mura. Meron 500,000. Parang dagdag lang naman na benefit sa kanila kasi masyadong benevolent yung kumpanya. Madami na sila, pati yung St. Peter, binigyan na sila, yung mga ganun. Tapos may HMO rin sila. And then, ito nga, When I showed it to the owner, sabi ko, kita mo to, 34 years old, 16,000, 28 years old, 14,000. And then I discussed it with sabi niya, punta ka sa office, ikwento mo sa mga tao what's the benefit. So I talked to them, yun yung parang group na in-explain ko. In a way, ano na siya, approved na yun, pero malaki yung halaga for them. It's like 300 something for 13 employees kasi medyo may edad na rin yung iba. I mean, not really may edad pero mas matanda kesa dun sa marami. And then, pwede ba batch by batch? Sabi ko, sige, okay lang. Kasi naman, para rin hindi sila mabigla, ganyan. The challenge was that when you interview people and you ask them how's your health, ganun, parang okay sa kanila. Only to find out when they're already filling up the application, may mga findings, yung ganun. Yun, pwede natin yun pag-usapan. Basta later on, na-approve yung apat, tapos yung isa, challenge din, ni-refer sa akin. Iba, hindi galing sa company na yan. Ni-refer sa akin ni Sir Tony, ni Mr. Gerlan. Kasi kakilala daw ng brother-in-law ko yung father niya. Okay, so good. She's a very nice person. When I asked her again about her health, okay, but when we were filling up the application, pinadala sa ko yung health questions sa kanya, meron din concern, mental concern. Yun. But then sabi ko, let's just declare everything. Importante malaman natin, basta our goal is that you get covered. And she's so excited to be covered. Yun lang yun. And the critical illness of AIO, which I offered initially, syempre natuwa siya kasi parang all in. But then when the came, after underwriting processed it, assessed it, hindi tinanggap yung AIO, tinanggal yung riders. So the challenge again was how to tell her. But when I told her na, I'm so happy with the rating, with the result, because I didn't expect it, but they accepted your application. Ibang plan na lang tayo. Pwede ka nang mag-invest kasi gusto din niya ng future builder. Tapos nung nalaman niya may insurance pa, natuwa pa siya. So I think the point there is that we have to tell them na it's still a win for them. In fact, it's a big win. Ganun. So, yun na-approve last day. June 30, Je. Yung parang 11:30 na yata ng gabi nung sinabi mo sa akin. Tinulugan ko na yun. Na next day ko na lang nalaman eh. Nag-change plan. Change plan. Tapos nagdagdag siya ng premium. Imbis na 20,000 a year, naging 40,000. Kinombine na nga yung budget niya. Yun yung sales ko last. Okay. Tapos meron pa, yung itong apat, hindi pa na-approve yung isa sa company kasi ang dami ngang na-declare. Plus yung mga bago dito ulit sa company, yung next batch. Ano na lang yun, parang hinirit ko lang just in case because I want to qualify sa podium finisher, yung mga bonus natin. Pero sinubmit ko lahat ng alam kong documentation requirements but it did not materialize and well, I understand now after nakausap ko si Miss Mai. Yun. Pero ma-approve rin yun this week. So yun. Yun yung policies natin.
Yan. So, thank you, Miss Eva, no? Talagang, with regards dun sa una, talaga persistency talaga. Kasi matagal ang lutuan, tapos marami pang mga questions with regards to parang delay. Tapos nag-antay ng mas mababang premium for the AIEA Plus ay nung lumabas na offer mo. And from quarterly to annual na, no? So talagang mas madali din naman. Actually, isa sa mga talagang nare-retain ng mga business yung mga nag-annual kasi talagang binabayaran nila annually and hindi naglalapse yung policy based on our experience. And yon. So sa business mo naman with the group insurance, sige, gusto ko malaman Miss Eva kasi paano mo na-approach kasi alam mo, sabi mo na nga existing client mo na to si company. They have money works with you for the last 7 years na. And paano mo sila na-approach ulit to really get a individual policy, yung all-in-one na yon. Ano yung yung approach mo dun sa owner ng company, Miss Eva?
Yung actually last year, kinakausap ko na siya about it. Yung ACP nga iniisip ko. Parang I always stress the importance of critical illness kasi if having something for critical illness. Kasi yung mga employees na kinover natin, hindi naman malalaki yung sahod nila. But they've been with the company for some time at mukhang hindi sila alis dun. Kasi napakabait nung may-ari. Yung binibigay, madami silang tinutulong doon sa mga tao. And knowing that, parang we know that the company cares for their employees. So, parang treatment anak, ganyan. Ay, inisip ko kung anak mo, gusto mo makover siya sa lahat, yung, madami na siyang binibigay, pero pag napakita mo dun sa may-ari na, konti lang naman dadagdag, ito yung mako-cover. At least if something happens to them, meron silang meron diyang nakatabi na makakatulong. Tapos yung secretary nung niya, husband niya, nagka-CA recently. So parang lalo nilang nakita yung importance nung merong coverage yung tao. Kahit na may HMO na sila, hindi pa rin sapat yun. Yun, so I think yun yung nakatulong to show them na how important having a provision for critical illness. And the second is, we have a plan, na regular plan, na walang investment. Tapos ganito lang ang amount, merong ng coverage yung employees mo. Yun.
Yun, so talagang no, maganda rin yung naano ko na kasi usually pagka group we offer group insurance and naintindihan ko yung pag ang group insurance renewal lang kasi yan eh. After let's say nag-retire na yung mga employee, wala na rin silang coverage. I think nakita ko din yung gusto mo ring iparating sa kanila sa owner na whenever the client or the employee the employees are retiring, meron pa rin silang coverage hanggang
Mhm.
sa nila. So I think retention 'yun. Mataas yung retention.
Yeah, that one. And alam mo kasi, itong company na to, meron silang mga empleyado na yung isa namatay, yung isa, hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo, nagka-critical illness, passed away. Puro out of pocket sila. Sila tumutulong talaga. So, siguro naisip-isip niya na, okay, tutulong tayo, pero siguro makakatulong rin to sa atin kung sa ganitong halaga will cover them. At least, syempre 500,000 will not be enough, but it's still a huge amount compared to
Correct. Oo, tama 'yon. Talagang for the benefit of the employees. Sige.
yeah.
So thank you very much, Miss Eva. So ito naman, for the benefit din ng mga news, no, and even the tenured, ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo or we need to do or to have as an advisor when dealing and corporate clients, yung mga
Document.
oo.
Okay, from what kasi yung since nung last time, okay, 7 years ago, di ba, nag-insure sila sa akin. Pero 2 years ago, may kinover na isa pang employee na dagdagan. Tapos last year, I think meron pa. So parang medyo na may memorize mo na ano yung mga kailangan, ano. Tapos always on the lookout ko. Tinatanong ko, nadagdagan ba kayong bagong employee? Meron ka bang hinire bago? Cover natin, dagdag ganito. Anyway, yon. Ano yung kailangan? Unang-una, yun, since corporation siya, kailangan ng SEC registration, yon meron naman listahan yon, pero mas mabuti, ihanda mo na kaagad. Parang sabay mo na sa habang ini-interview mo sila, tinatanong mo na rin sa sa HR, I need this, ito yung mga documentation na kailangan ko. Yung mga general information sheet, alam nila yan, meron sila yan. Tapos articles of incorporation, tapos since corporation yan, meron yan stockholders, tapos makikita natin doon, meron yan kung may beneficial owner. I mean, it may appear like a technical term, but there's a definition rin naman sa application natin what a beneficial owner is. Importante na meron na rin tayong beneficial owners form. Makukuha rin natin yun sa portal. At saka pinaka-importante pala, yung secretary certificate. Doon nakalagay kung sino yung ini-insure, kung ano yung binibigay, tapos sino yung authorized representative. Kasi yung authorized representative, siya na yung pipirma in behalf of the company. Siya yung parang lalabas na owner. At the start, maaring something new or challenging pag-fill up ng application, pwede naman magtanong. I mean, you can ask me. At ako noon, nagtanong ako kay Otello. Pero nung time na tinanong ko rin si Otello noon, parang nag-iiba na yung mga demands rin eh. Yan. Ito yung latest. Yun actually yun lang. Tapos kung face-to-face kayo, kailangan, hiningan pa ako ng proof na face-to-face daw kami. Parang kailangan ko sabihin. Parang hindi nila napansin na local signature. Di ba may local sign and hindi napansin. So I had to conform with that requirement. And then what else did they require? Initially, since company, i-require ka niya na gagawin mong beneficiary, irrevocable beneficiary, yung relative nung empleyado. But in the secretary certificate, we said that the primary beneficiary is actually the company kasi sila yung magmamanage ng proceeds. Kasi can you imagine, if you make the beneficiary diretso, yung kamag-anak o tatay na nasa probinsya na liblib na lugar, hahanapin mo pa yon, tapos i-issue ka ng cheque sa kanya and everything. It's still mas maganda kung company yung makakakuha ng proceeds tapos siya yung magbigay. Kaya lang, we have to prove to underwriting that the company is yung hindi nga papalitan yung, this company definitely will not do that. But yun, that's another thing na kailangan nilang ma-assure natin sila na worthy sila na maging primary beneficiary of the policy.
Yun. So talagang siguro yung iba na may mga terms, may mga technical terms na yung iba baka actually yung iba talagang takot yan na magdi-deal sa mga company kasi iniisip nila ang daming mga requirements, hindi natin alam to. Pero definitely when you have a company, alam ng HR lahat yan. That's why marin yun, yung sabi mo nga magtanong. So, kung sino yung nakikita mo expert, like si Otello, kasi marami siyang group policy. So, doon ka nagdirekta tumanong kasi alam niya yung mga processes. So, yun. So, I think tayo dito, no? Huwag matakot pag may mga companies, you can ask your leaders or someone who has experience na para maano na rin, ma-process din yung mga kailangan natin requirements. Yon. Sige, so last, Miss Eva, natanong ko na lang kasi alam ko you are aiming for something like, di ba, yung mga dash to 100 and I think nakita ko talaga one way to have more policy is to approach yung mga companies and offer individual plans, 'di ba? So siguro ito na lang ang ko, what are the advice that you can give to as advisor, no? Rookie man or tenured, so that we can be all more productive like you, no? Having more than 2 policy every month.
Actually, malayo pa si Dash to 100. Parang iniisip ko, ilan ang kailangan kong ma-produce every month, Ang hirap yung individual. Pero ito, having done this and then convinced the owner, ganyan, this is just one company, parang naganahan naman ako na pwede, parang posible kahit na hindi masyadong malaki, basta in our mind, we want to cover more people. So, isa yon. Tapos pangalawa, mm, um, ito won't, sa rookies hindi pa siguro applicable, pero as early as now, I suggest that they really make it a point to produce 2 regular policies a month at least. I remember si Anna, she will always tell me that. Yun yung parang, alam mo si Miss A, yung mga words of wisdom yan, yung parang sinauna, nagaling talaga sa experience, na pinag-aralan. Kaya nung sinabi niya, just make sure you produce this, kasi gusto niya ma-hit mo lahat. Exactly also what we're doing now. Parang, kaya yun yung mga, and for now, like, di ba, for this quarter, I saw how much potential earnings I would have sa QBB. But I cannot get it because I only have 22 policies. I missed out on something, dalawang policies. Parang inisip ko, I could never imagine not having QBB. And also, having that amount na hindi ko makukuha. Kasi nga puro income assure yung nangyari. Tapos, ewan ko, basta yun. So, my tip also to the young ones, not because you don't have QBB yet right now. It's a good start to really have at least 2 policies a month, ganyan. Tapos how can we do that? Huwag matakot lumapit sa, you can probably maghanap ng mga kaibigan na may kilalang may kumpanya. Mas madali kung yung kumpanya maliit kasi hindi masyadong mahirap kausapin. Wala masyadong mga dadaan sa board. I mean, this company is not small, but because I know them. But they're not also super big, yung ganon. Kaya madaling kausap. Yan. So, yun lang. Yun yung target ko. So, ang gagawin ko to look for other companies na similar. I have a couple in mind. So, sana ganahan, ganahan pang wag matakot, ganon. Kasi ang maabot dun parang, naku, parang hirap, ito na naman, submit na naman sa underwriting. Hindi siya madali in a way na, I mean, I'm doing it on my own, all the documentary requirements, typing on whatever, and then submitting one by one the requirements per policy. But, I mean, it has to be done. So, yun.
So thank you, Miss Eva. Talagang gusto ko yon yung sabi mo nga those promos, yung mga 2 policy per month, it will really lead us to a bigger rewards. 'Di ba? So gawin lang natin yan month on month, yung 2 policy every month. It will really give you bigger bonuses and rewards in the long run. So yon, and activity is really the key. So talagang if you're really in this business, hindi pwedeng may isang buwan na hindi tayo magsisave ng lives. Kasi kaya tayo nandito to save a lives. Diba? So, yan. So, thank you very much, Miss Eva. It was really enlightening to us, no? And maybe may mga questions tayo from the uh, participants natin. May questions ba for Miss Eva?